Yes, good evening. My dear friends. In the previous class, which we are learning compounds, completed already what is matter and what is classification of matter physically and chemically. Chemically, matter is classified into three types. That is element, compound, and the mixtures. Said that element is the pure substance, consists of identical atoms. What about compound? Compound is a substance made up of formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a definite proportion by mass. In a definite proportion by mass is called as compound. Right? So let us continue the study today with how do you represent element? What is the representation of the element? Element is represented by the symbol. Where do you find those symbols? Yes, in the table called as periodic table, in horizontal rows and vertical columns, the elements are classified in a table called as periodic table, wherein you will find in every box there will be atomic number, mass number. Right? I told you to buy at least 30. Right? First 10. First 10.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen, atomic number 1.
Helium.
2.
I should say like that.
Yeah, 3. Atomic number 3. 3.
3 lithium.
Lithium.
4 beryllium.
Yes.
5 boron. 6 carbon. 7 nitrogen. 8 oxygen. 9 fluorine. 10 neon.
9 fluorine. 10
neon.
neon. From 11 can you reproduce? Okay.
11 sodium. 12 magnesium. 13 aluminum. 14 silicon. 15
Phosphorus.
16
Sulfur.
17 calcium. 18
No. 17 chlorine.
17 chlorine, 18 argon, 19
Atomic number 19.
potassium.
Yes, potassium. 20
20 calcium.
calcium. Very good. From 21. 21 scandium. Start.
21 scandium,
22
22 vanadium,
vanadium.
23 chromium,
23 chromium.
25 magnesium,
24.
24
23 is not chromium. Check. I think 24 is chromium.
22 is titanium.
23
22 is
titanium.
no. Check. 22
Titanium.
titanium. Check correctly.
Yes.
22 titanium,
22 titanium.
24 vanadium,
23
23 vanadium,
vanadium. 24
chromium,
25
magnesium,
26
Iron.
iron. 27
Cobalt.
cobalt. 28
Nickel.
nickel. 29
copper,
copper. 30
Zinc.
shabash. So they were atomic numbers and the symbol of first 30 elements. Right. Let's continue. And we continued the study of compounds. The compounds are represented symbolically by formula, we said. Right. Second classification of matter, that is compound. Let us continue with little more details today. Already we defined in the previous class what is an acid. Right? What is a base? Right? Acid is a species which produces H plus ions. Base is a species which produces OH minus ions, we discussed in the previous class. See this particular, there is a third type of the compound called as salt. What do you mean by salt? Yes, what do you mean by salt? How the salts are defined? See, a salt is a product obtained by reaction between an acid and a base. Very simple reaction, basic reaction, we call that reaction as neutralization reaction. You know, I think you studied this reaction as early as the 7th standard, neutralization. What is neutralization? Whenever acid reacts with the base, you will get salt and water. The reaction is called as neutralization reaction. In any neutralization reaction, you will get no, heat is not liberated, but you will get water. Sometimes heat is absorbed, sometimes heat is liberated. That's a different thing. But common product formed in the reaction, in any neutralization reaction, is salt and the water. For example, if I take HCl, is an acid. NaOH is a base. What happens happens during formation of the salt is the H plus ion of the acid and OH minus ion of the base react forming H2O. React forming H2O. As a result of that, two of these, that is H plus ion is gone and OH minus ion is gone. What you are left with? You are left with Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. The Na plus and Cl minus ions will combine forming the salt, the simplest salt you are using at home. This reaction we call it as neutralization reaction. See, remember, there are, whenever you think of a salt, two ions are contributing to form a salt. One ion, that is positive ion, is coming from where? From a base. Negative ion of the salt is coming from acid. Remember carefully, very important thing I am telling you. Generally in a salt, there will be two ions. One is called as a positive ion, another one is called as negative ion. Generally positive ions are written on the left, negative ions are written on the right. Remember. An acid, that particular salt will have two parts. One, the positive ion is provided by the base. This particular, the positive part of the salt is called as positive ion or positive radical. What is it called as? Radicals. And a negative ion or negative radicals ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Remember. Generally, positive ion is provided by the base. Therefore, this radical is called as positive radical, and it is also called as basic radical. What it is called as? Basic radical. Remember. And Cl minus ion is provided by the acid. Therefore, it is called as acid radical. Like this, and a salt will have two parts. One is called as acid radical, another one is called as basic radical. And these positive radical and negative radicals will constitute, when they are written in a proper manner, you will get the formula of the salt. Right? So therefore, generally acids will have common H plus and bases will have common ion OH minus. Along with that, acids will have a negative ion, that is called as negative radical. Bases will have a positive ion, that is called as positive radical, and these positive radicals are provided by the bases, therefore they are called as basic radicals. Or generally the negative radicals, negative ions or negative radicals are provided by the acids, therefore they are called as negative ions are called as basic acid radicals. Positive ions are called as basic radical, or they are also called as electropositive radicals, as printed there. Read it on the top. Radical list ತೆಗಿರಿ ಬಂತು.
Basic or electropositive?
Electropositive radical. ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Electropositive radicals. Negative or electronegative or acidic or electronegative radicals ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವು positive radicals, what do you mean by radicals? Let us take that definition before we continue with more. We can define before that what is a salt. Let us define first and continue. Salt. The substance formed by neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. Neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is called what it is called? Salt. Neutralization reaction is called as salt.